Mackenzie used her love of the environment to build her Gold Award project. She partnered with her local elementary school to build a butterfly garden to educate students about the importance of pollination between plants and butterflies. Mackenzie led students through a gardening workshop to build the in-school garden and created an educational video explaining the gardening process and the benefits it serves the environment.
I took an environmental science class, and it really opened up my eyes to see how bad we treat the environment and what deforestation can do to our environment. And not many people know how good plants and butterflies are, which is what drew me to the project in the first place, to help spread awareness. My biggest challenge would be finding a place to do the garden at, because the first few places that I selected fell through. So I finally got the idea of asking one of the schools, and they had a spot available for me to make the garden at, and they wanted it to be a butterfly garden. So it kind of came into place, and the people there were very helpful. There are a lot of challenges, but my biggest piece of advice for any Girl Scout planning on pursuing their Gold Award would be to not give up every time there's a challenge, because it gets pretty hard to think of ways that you can overcome the challenge, but in the end, once it's over, it'll be worth it. My name is Mentillo, and I am a Gold Award Girl Scout.